Types of output. Types of output in computer programming, not only Java, not only in Java, computer programming. In Java or any other programming languages. Observe Winberg, we have 4 types of outputs. It is general topic, general programming concept. 4 types of outputs. First one is value based output or result. Second one Boolean or logical output. Third one, constant based. This is built-in constant. User defined constant also there. User defined constant means Nagalakshmi, final variable. Constant based. Why Nagalakshmi is not responding?
I'm here, sir.
Why some voice is very low, Nagalakshmi, sometimes? What is the problem? Dipti is interacting properly. Other Winberg also okay. What is the problem?
No problem, sir.
Okay. Sometimes constant based output. Fourth one, dynamic output. Now tell me, Nagalakshmi, we have 4 types of output in computer programming. What are the 4 types? Then I will provide examples. First, what are the 4
Value-based
outputs?
Value-based output, Boolean or logic output,
Good. Boolean or logical output.
and then constant output.
Constant based output. Not constant output. Constant means fixed. Constant based output. Next,
Then dynamic output.
Okay. This is general topic. First I am taking value based output. It is perfect output. Say arithmetic operators. And some methods, not all, written this type of output. Observe the example, Nagalakshmi. Observe the example. Suppose system.out.println. I'm directly using 10 into 7. Arithmetic operation 10 into 7. Next, suppose seven minus 10. It is also arithmetic operation. First output 70. 70 is value, fixed value, minus 3. It is also fixed value. Run the program. 70 minus 3. Okay. And next, some built-in methods. Not only built-in methods, user defined methods also written this one. User defined methods also. For example, int x equals to 5. Next, y equals to 7. Not only simple values, you can use 5, 3, 4. 7, 8, 9. Next, system.out.println. These built-in methods we will discuss later. Math predefined library, predefined class. Math dot type max. These methods we will discuss later in built-in methods in Java chapter. Max, first value x, second value y. It will return, this max method returns maximum value between two values. Now what is the output of this 30th line? 13th, 1, 3. What is the output?
789.
789. 789. Suppose min method also there, min. Now what is the output?
534.
534. -3, 789, 534. All are values. All are values. Observe my statement, Winberg. Arithmetic, arithmetic operators and some methods return this type of output. Okay, na?
Okay, now.
Second one, Boolean or logical result. Boolean or logical result. Logical result. Here observe. Comparison. Comparison and logical operators and some methods return this type of result. This type of result. Observe the example. For example, system.out.println 10 greater than 3. Next, 10 less than 3. Observe each statement output, Winberg. What is the output of it?
True.
True. This is Boolean result. Next one,
False.
false. Next, some methods also, na? Some methods. For example, observe. You can use direct values also, otherwise variables. System.out.println. Selenium dot equals method on string, equals method on string object. Suppose another object, Selenium. Observe, Winberg, what is the 11th line output?
I don't know if it's case sensitive, so it could be either true or false.
False.
I'm going to go for yeah.
False only. False only. For example, I'm using another method, equals ignore case. This time letters same but case different. True
This
na?
time it-
True. Run the program. True, false, false, true. Deepti, raise query, Deepti.
No, sir, I'm getting it.
Okay, good. Third one, constant based result. Say we have some built-in constants, user defined constants also there. User defined constants means final variable. Next, some built-in constants are there. We can't argue y1, y minus 1, y0. They provided those values. Suppose Java provides not only Java, VB also. Java provides constant based result, constant based output for three-way comparison of numbers. Observe the result criteria. If number 1 equals to single equals to assignment operator, double equals to comparison operator. Number 2, then 0. Two-way comparison, true or false. Three-way comparison, constant based in numbers. Suppose number 1 greater than number 2, then 1 plus 1. Or you can just say 1. Suppose less than number 2. This is minus 1. Here observe the outputs, Nagalakshmi. 0, 1, minus 1. These are constants, not values, constants. You can't conduct mathematical operations on this 1, minus 1, 0. These are constants, built-in constants defined by Java. Getting?
Yes, sir.
Now observe. Suppose object required integer x equals to 7. This is not primitive data type. Integer object value is 7. System.out.println x dot compare to 6. Next, compare to 7. Next, compare to some 9. Now observe Deepthi, 10th line output.
1,
1. Good. Next output.
0,
0. Next output.
minus 2,
minus 1. No, minus 2. 1, 0, minus 1. Observe this result criteria. See, this is constant based result, not constant
Sir.
result.
x is equal to 7, right, sir? So 7 minus 9 is 2, right?
7 minus 9. Compare to. Here, what is your comparing?
0, because it's going to 0
observe,
and then
equals to 0. Number 1 greater than 1. Number 1 less than. Here, first number 7. 9 is second number. Second number is greater na.
Okay, got it.
Constant based output is minus 1 na.
This one, got it, sir.
Here we are not deducting or here we are not adding or subtracting. Only comparing.
Got it, sir.
7 versus 6. 7 is bigger. 1. 7 versus 7. Both are equal 0. 7 versus 9. 9 bigger. Second number is bigger. Minus 1. That's it.
Okay, sir.
Next, last one, Nagalakshmi. Fourth one, dynamic output. dynamic output. Say, suppose 10 plus 3, 13. That is value based result, static output. If you execute that program today, 13, tomorrow, 13, after 1 year, 13, 1000 times 13 only. But dynamic output not like that. Every time dynamic value. Suppose, observe. I am creating data object. Date. My date equals to new date. It will return current system date and time. Input date from java.util. It will return current date and time. Date and time. Suppose system.out.println my date. Run the program. Now observe September 30 Indian Standard Time. 8:21:14 seconds IST 2020. Run this program once again. This time 27. Next 33. Suppose if you execute this program tomorrow, October 1, after 1 year, 2021, every time dynamic output na?
Yes, sir.
Dynamic output. Next, system.out.println. Suppose math dot type R, select random. It will generate random number. Observe second output 0.40 something. Run. This time 0.74 something. Value depends on the compiler. This time 0.78 something. Every time dynamic value. See, this type of output is called dynamic output. See, in our computer programming, we face these 4 types of outputs only. And I will show one output. Just observe. Winberg.
Yep.
System.out.println Selenium testing. Run the program, it will print Selenium testing. Now, what type of output it is? For example, where is that? Is it a value based output or Boolean output or constant based output or dynamic output?
Dynamic output.
Dynamic.
Value based on.
Yes, value based. Run. Second time Selenium. Third time Selenium testing. Fourth time also Selenium testing. It is not dynamic. Value. Earlier I told arithmetic operators and some methods return this type of output. See, mathematical value. Value means not only number. Text
Right.
also value, isn't it?
Correct. Yep.
Suppose in your test case, if you find passed, failed also, if you define passed, failed also value based, isn't it?
Yes.
This Selenium testing is value based output. It is text, it is not number, but value. See, if you take any output in your program, you can restrict those output to these 4 categories only. Now raise query, Deepti. General topic.
No, sir, I'm good. Thank you.
Today I'm going to close the session. Today we discussed 3 topics, Deepti. Exception handling in Java. We will use this exception handling code in in our Selenium test cases. Next, Java array list, dynamic data structure of Java programming language. Next, types of output in computer programming, not only in Java. Okay, I'm going to close the today's session. Any queries? First, Winberg, right query. Any queries?
Nope, I'm good.
Welcome. Deepthi,
Sir, very good, sir. Thank you so much.
welcome. Nagalakshmi,
I'm good, sir. Thank you, sir.
welcome. Okay, we'll meet tomorrow, same time. Thank you.
All right, bye-bye.